Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox not downloading. To know how to fix or to solve Roblox not downloading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to this window of Roblox and you click. Then in this window of app info you will search about for stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you'll find it, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.